Scottie Dottie, have you come to help me today? Oh, thank you. Because today I'm in my shop. And I'm trying to find some toys that might start with our new sound. Can you see it anywhere? That's right, it's up there on my wall. And it's a very tricky sound because it's two letters coming together to make one sound. Do you know what it is? Let me hear. Oh, it's not that silly sound. Let me hear again. That's right. Shh. Wow, so let me just clean my shelf. And there's a word that has sh in it. Shelf. Oh, wow. And let me see if there's anything. You can do this. It's only a kid on shark, but I got a terrible shock. Oh, there's another word, shock. How many words have we got so far? Shelf, shark, shock. Do you think we could find some more? Let's see. Let me go down here and oh! What is that stinky smell? It's coming from these. What's this? That's right, a pair of shoes. Shoes starts with sh, that's right. Oh dear. Let's see if we can find something else. On my shelf. Oh my goodness, what is this? Wow, this looks very special. Can you see what it is? That's right. Oh, wow! Our ship has got this sound as well, doesn't it? And beside the pirate ship, what are these? Yeah, that's right. Shells. They're lovely shells! Oh my goodness, I can't believe all these toys I've got that have sh in it. Let's go over some of them. We had shoes, shark, shells, pirate ship, and shelf. All in my shop. Did you find all them? You are so clever. Do you think you can maybe find some in your house or in your garden or anywhere we go? See if you can find the sh sound anywhere. And will you let me know? Oh, thank you. Okay, it's bye from Scottie Dottie.